So we have excited to serve, eager to learn, acting humbly, and going the extra mile.
A lot of companies have core values. So we were working with kind of a business coach in determining, okay, what are our core values? And the process of figuring out, well, first of all, they shouldn't be aspirational values. A lot of times it's easy to think, well, you know, whatever should be our value, even though it's not. So walking through this process of simply who are our model, our star employees, our superstars, our rock stars that if we could clone, we would, and what is it about them that we really think that makes them a superstar? You know, I think we picked like 2 or 3 people and said, these are our superstars, and this is what we really like about them, and this is what we want throughout our company. And boiling all of that down came to, for the most part, these 4 values.
Well, for the customers, I think they support our purpose well of transforming the customer journey, really trying to be there for our customer at every step of the way. You know, that starts with acting humbly. It's not like we're the know-it-all who comes in there and just says, get out of the way and let me do my work. You know, we want to understand what our customers need, why they need it, and then kind of work from there. So humility is a big deal, not just internally, but externally as well, how customers view us. We want to come across as excited to serve, you know, another core value. Just customers understand and appreciate, you know, we're taking care of them, we're there for them. We want to make sure that the process from beginning to end is seamless, is smooth, is easy, and those 4 values kind of play into that the whole way through. I think something I've learned through the process of coming up with our values is, like you said in the beginning, staying away from the aspirational type and reflecting internally, who am I as a person? Who are we as a group? Everybody has a set of values they live by, and what we say is not going to win. It's not going to win at the end of the day. It's always going to come back to who we are at our core, and that's going to affect what we do and how we act. One thing I thought of also regarding the Joyland guarantee is all about going the extra mile, which that one and being excited to serve are kind of similar. Once we've done what we should do, we want to go a little further. And I think our guarantee reflects that in one way, because we've done the job, we've done what we need to do, but we extend ourselves further and take the risk of saying, look, if you're not happy, if you're not completely satisfied, no obligation to us, even though we've done our duty. And that's something that I think is important for our customers to know, and also for us to, it holds our feet to the fire. And that requires us to deliver with excellence time and time again, and just go a little further than what's required.